Welcome to Learn Haitian Creole with Dr. Les. Today, we're going to take a look at some body parts in Haitian Creole. All right. Here are some of the obvious ones. Like you see here, we get tête, G, or some people say zie, front, épaules, and both of them here, bras, and then main, the whole hand, and then douette, all right, zong, and we're gonna get into some more details now. All right, here we go. Pati nan corps, body parts, head, tête, shoulder, épaules, arms, bras, hands, mains, fingers, douette, nails, zong, legs, jambes, hair, cheveux, ears, oreilles, nose, nez. Don't forget the N here is pretty brief. Nez, forehead, front, eyebrows, sourcils, eyelids, projet, eyelashes, cils, but usually they just say cils. Eyes, G, eyeballs, boule, but to indicate plural, they use yo. All right, boule. That means eyeballs, but you can just say boule. Pupils, paupières, lips, lèvres, mouth, bouche, tooth, dent. And of course, to indicate the plural, you just add the yo. Dent yo, that would be teeth. Gum, gencive, tongue, langue, throat, gorge, cheeks, mâchoire, chin, menton, mustache, moustache, beard, bob. Almost like when you call Bob for Robert, Bob. Neck, cou, Adam's apple, pomme Adam, breasts, tété, chest, poitrine, belly, ventre, lombrite. Navel is lombrite. And some people say lombric, but others say lombrite. That's navel. Hips, hanche. And of course, the yo is to indicate the plural, but you just say hanche. Buttocks. Now, I would say it's more appropriate to say derrière, but bunda is kind of borderline vulgar. Bunda. All right? Okay. Buttocks. Derrière. Now, thighs. Cuisse, knees, genou, foot, pied, but the plural feet is pied, pied. Heel, talon, sole, en bas pied. There's not one specific word for it, but you say en bas pied, that means at the bottom of the foot, right? En bas pied, it's sole. Toes, orteils, and yo to indicate plural, orteils, that means the toes. And skin, the largest organ of the body, is peau. Skin is peau. All right. That's all the body parts we have for you today. We just wanted to, show what's visible to the eyes. It's part of basic vocabularies you need to be able to conversate in basic Haitian Creole. Quick review. Tête, head. Épaules, shoulder. Bras, arms. Mains, hands. Douette, fingers. Zong, nails. Jambes, legs. cheveux, hair, oreilles, ears, neck, nose, front, forehead, sourcils, eyebrows. Poger, eyelids. Cils, eyelashes. G, eyes. Bouger, eyeballs. Paupières, pupils. Lèvres, lips. Bouche, mouth. Dents, tooth, teeth. Gencive, gum. Langue, tongue. Gorge, throat. Mâchoire, cheeks. Menton, chin. Moustache, moustache. Bob, beard. Cou, neck. Pomme à dents, Adam's apple. Tété, breasts. Poitrine, chest. Ventre, belly. Lombrite ou bien lombric, navel. Hanche, hips. Derrière, or bunda, a little vulgar, buttocks. And cuisse, thighs, genoux, knees, pieds, foot, talon, heel, en bas pied, sole, orteils, toes, toe, scan. Thank you for listening. Keep on practicing. Creole is very easy and straightforward. Before you know it, you'll be able to conversate in Haitian Creole. We appreciate your time. See you next time.